Jessica. So today I'm starting my back to school series, which I'm super excited about. Not excited about the actual like going back to school part, but I do love back to school videos and I'm super excited to kick off this year's series with my back to school supplies haul. So this haul is a little bit smaller than normal just because I'm starting my first year of college this year, and A, you don't need quite as many school supplies for college, and B, I don't really know exactly what to expect, so I didn't want to overbuy things that I won't end up using, so I just kind of bought the basic necessities that I think that I would need for this year, and then I can always grab some more stuff later if I find out that I need it. But I do have a decent amount of stuff to show you guys, and I'm so excited, so let's just go ahead and get on into the video. So I have my lovely old Target bag here because if you ever watched my school supplies videos before, you know the only place I ever go back to school supply shopping is Target because they are the best. They had some pretty cute stuff this year, honestly cuter than I remembered in previous years. Like I usually just kind of DIY my own stuff and bought like plain notebooks and folders, but this year I just bought all of the notebooks because like they were really cute and I was super excited and pleasantly surprised. So yay, don't worry, I'm still doing a DIY back to school supplies video. I've got you guys, but most of my stuff is going to be like store-bought in this year, which I haven't done in a while. So I'm going to have 5 classes per semester. I just kind of went for the basics. I just got like a notebook and a folder for each class just to kind of keep myself covered because I'm not really a big binder person. I just really like notebooks and folders, so I just got one for each class. So I'm going to show you guys those now. So this is the first one. It's just got kind of this like paintbrush stroke pattern on it. It's some pastel colors with some gold little triangles on it, which I thought was super cute. This one is turquoise with gold polka dots, and it's really cute. This one is black and white stripes with gold polka dots, and then this one is black with gold polka dots, and I actually got this one last year, I believe. So they only had 4 cute folders that I liked. I have 5 classes, so I just got a white one that I'm going to decorate and make cute by myself. So yes, those are my folders. Then I got 5 notebooks for my 5 classes. This one is the same pattern as the folder. It's just black and white stripes with gold polka dots, and I thought it was super cute. These are all college ruled, which I have to do college ruled. Wide ruled is just it's a big no. I can't, it's too big of spaces because I write small, so like you have to have college ruled, in my opinion. So college ruled all the way. Then this one just has a bunch of different stripes and different colors, so it's kind of like changes colors on the way down. So the first top third is turquoise and white, and then a kind of like a bronzy color and black, and then pink and white, which I think is super cute. And I'm pretty sure I got like a binder in this pattern last year maybe. It seems like I've seen, especially with the folders, a lot of the patterns before, like previous years, on like binders and stuff. So they're reusing the patterns again this year, but honestly, they're super cute and they're on like notebooks and folders this time instead of binders, so I'm all for it. Then the next one was this super cute like marble with gold triangles on it, and this is honestly the cutest thing ever. I'm so obsessed with it. It's just got, yeah, marble with like this gold geometric design on it, and I just thought this was super cute, and the back is just like plain marble, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so pretty. Okay, and then this one has a bunch of different rectangles outlined in gold on it and kind of a little pattern here. They're just like gray and turquoise and black, and I just thought it was cute. And the back has got marble on it, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. And then the last one is another marble design, and it's just kind of got, and it just kind of swirls, so it's got kind of like white and gray on the top, and then it goes into pink on the bottom, which I think is super cute, with a bunch of little gold dots all over it, and then it says notes on the top, and this was just super cute. This is probably my favorite out of all of them that I got. I just think it's like so pretty, like matches my aesthetic. Just like A+ for Target right here. Okay, so then I got this little mini notebook that is pink with rose gold pineapples. Like, can you name a more Jessica thing than something that's pink, rose gold, and pineapples? Like, I honestly don't think so. I just thought this was so cute. I love the pattern on it, and I'm just low-key obsessed with it. Probably just use this to write down like reminders and to-do lists and all that good stuff, and just like video ideas, brainstorming, you know, whatever I need to write stuff down for. This right here is gonna cover me because it's adorable and I had to get it. So then I got some loose leaf college ruled paper because honestly I always just like I rip stuff out of my notebooks a lot, but sometimes it is nice to just have loose leaf where you don't have to rip it out of your notebooks. And it's just nice to have around. Then I just got some random stuff that you know you gotta have for school. First of that is a ruler. I don't always use a ruler to like measure things, but they're often kind of nice to have if you're in like a math class or you have to draw like a graph or something for whatever. It's always nice to have a ruler to make sure you have straight lines, just because I need my lines to be straight, not like all over the place. So they're just nice to have around. Also, I feel like that could be nice to have in my dorm if I need to like measure stuff, because it happens, you know. Then I got some whiteout because, you know, mistakes happen, and whiteout comes in handy more than I'd like to admit, so definitely need some whiteout. Then I got some pencils. I didn't get that many pencils, mostly because I actually already have a bunch left over from last year. I got a huge packet, so I didn't need a whole lot more, so I just got a packet of 8. And I find that honestly just these little ones from Bic that are just like the regular little pencils that are not that fancy, they're just small and straight and cheaper. I actually like these better than like the fancy ones with the grips and the long erasers and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. I find these are easier to write with, they're smaller, they're more comfortable to hold, so I just use these. Then I got some Sharpies because color makes everything 10 times more fun. I took them out of the package because I used them a couple days ago, but they're really pretty and they've got some kind of unique colors here. I like to make everything colorful, especially color coding in notes. I find it super helpful to stay organized, and when things are in color, it's just more fun to like study and make notes and stuff. So I always grab highlighters and colored pens. Then I have just some black pens because, you know, gotta have pens. So I've used this brand for quite a while. I like them a lot. They're just easy to write with, and they have a lot of ink. They don't go dry and like have like awkward notes. They're pretty consistent. Then I also bought an overwhelming number of colored pens. Did I really need this many? Probably not. Again, when I write things in color, it just tends to like stick more. It's more fun to do. It makes me more motivated to like study and read notes when they're pretty. I got a mini stapler. It's so tiny and cute. I'm obsessed with it. So this one is purple and it's just a little baby stapler. Figured this would come in handy quite a bit in my dorm, needing to staple papers and whatnot. Staplers are always nice and useful to have, and this one's so tiny. So my favorite thing probably that I got this year would have to be my backpack. And why would the backpack be my favorite? Because it's Taylor Swift. So I got the black and gold Reputation backpack and I'm obsessed with it. Like, look how cute, guys. It's so cute. I am obsessed with it. It just is black and then it has gold zippers and detailing, and then it says Reputation across the front and Taylor Swift on the back. It's not as like nice a quality as backpacks as I have had in the past, but I figured for college I'm probably not going to be carrying as many books and putting as much in it and getting as much use out of it as I did in high school, just because textbooks are lighter and I really only need to have stuff for one class at a time. So I figured that having not quite as like a heavy duty backpack would be okay. Now it's not like cheap by any means, it's still nice, it's still decent quality. So it should be okay. And I'm really excited because it's super cute and obviously get to rep Taylor like all the time, and I'm excited for it. Okay, so that concludes my school supplies haul for 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, you should give it a thumbs up for me. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, you should definitely subscribe because I have a ton of back to school videos coming for you guys. I already have a bunch of ideas for back to school videos that I'm planning on doing, but if you guys have any requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll try to do them. I always want to take your guys' input. If you have any special requests for back to school videos, please let me know. So I think that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you with a new back to school video next weekend. Bye guys!